Hi, I'm Brian Petrie. Do you know that smartphones are your computer? Do you use a smartphone yet? If not, why not? You'd have to pry my iPhone out of my hand. I couldn't live without it. Today, it's all about being mobile. YourDictionary.com defines a smartphone as a cellular telephone with built-in applications and internet access. Smartphones provide voice services as well as any combination of the following: text messaging, email, web browsing, still picture taking, video recording, music and video playback, and organizer tools. In addition to their built-in functions, smartphones have become application delivery platforms, turning the once single-purpose cell phone into a mobile computer. Currently, only about 20% of the market uses a smartphone rather than a regular cell phone. However, sales of smartphones grew 57% in the first quarter of 2010, far outpacing the 22% growth of the overall mobile market according to International Data Corporation. There's an ongoing debate about which smartphone device has sold more in the first quarter this year in the US, Google's Android or Apple's iPhone. However, regardless of the debate, RIM's BlackBerry remains the market leader. I say, who cares how many people bought an Android versus an iPhone? The point is, the market is exploding and creating significant new opportunities. The introduction of the iPhone in 2007 raised the bar on features and functions in smartphones. Now, it seems like a new crop of incredibly powerful mobile devices are announced daily. The competition between carriers to provide the features and service levels demanded by their customers is accelerating, and some, like AT&T, have struggled at times to keep up. Typically with technology, open standards win out over time. Apple has a very closed architecture for the iPhone's hardware and software. Google, on the other hand, is challenging that strategy with a completely open and free Android operating environment that is being adopted by multiple manufacturers. It will be interesting to see who wins the race over the long haul. PCs, tablet computers, smartphones, and other mobile devices will prosper in parallel for years, each doing its own thing increasingly well. However, having my smartphone computer with me anytime, anywhere, connected to the internet with GPS that knows where I am is awesome, especially when it's coupled with location-based services, a very hot, newly evolving segment of the market. As I mentioned earlier, AT&T has had problems keeping up with the demands placed upon its network by iPhone users. With problems, of course, come solutions. And the steadily increasing need for bandwidth caused by smartphones on 3G and 4G cellular infrastructure is creating many new investment opportunities. So, in addition to considering the well-known smartphone manufacturers like Apple, Google, and RIM, and the network providers as Verizon, AT&T, and Sprint, keep an eye on companies like American Tower Corp and Skyworks Solutions that look to benefit from this exploding market.